Hey guys, it's Katie with JLT Performance, and today we're going to install the cold air intake on the 2018 and up Jeep Trackhawk. So let's get started. You're going to disconnect the IAT sensor, the PCV, and you're going to loosen this hose clamp. Now you can remove the intake from the vehicle. Now you're going to remove these two push pins and this clip from the block-off plate. Once you have everything removed, you can take it out of the vehicle. Disconnect this line from the plate and then remove the plate from the vehicle. Disconnect the IAT sensor by rotating and pulling out. Install the IAT gasket and adapter onto the intake tube and secure it down using the provided hardware. Install the IAT sensor into the tube. If you have a 2018 Trackhawk, you're going to remove the PCV Quick Connect fitting from the stock intake tube and install it on the JLT tube. If you have a 2019 and up, you're going to follow the next steps on how to remove the PCV solenoid and fitting. You need to cut off the 3 plastic rivets here in order to disconnect the PCV solenoid from the intake, and then you can just pull it straight up. Now you're going to attach the provided bracket to the PCV solenoid using the provided hardware. In order to install the bracket, we need to remove this nut from the strut tower. We need to install the new PCV line onto this, and you don't need the O-ring for it, but just so you don't lose it, you can just lift it up. And keep it there. And then you can install the new PCV line onto the solenoid. Once you have it fully assembled, you can then install it. Make sure that it's straight, and then secure it down using the nut that you removed earlier. Remove this bolt from the vehicle. Install the JLT airbox into the vehicle. Once you have the airbox in the vehicle, you're going to secure down the front inlet using the provided push pins. Don't forget the trim. Secure the airbox to the vehicle using the supplied bolt. Install the air filter into the airbox. Install the coupler and the clamps onto the intake tube. Install the intake tube onto the filter. It's easiest if you hold the filter and then align the tube through the opening, and then once you have it fully installed, you'll tighten down this clamp. Once you have the filter and the tube secure, you can then rotate the tube onto the throttle body. For the 2018, line up the PCV Quick Connect fitting and connect it to the PCV before tightening down the hose clamps. Secure the hose clamps. Reconnect the IAT sensor. All right guys, so that is it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions, you just want to know more, you can always check it out on our website or give us a call, and I'll see you next time.